Hello everyone, this is Adel Ben. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import an HFSS 3D layout design as a component into HFSS 3D environment. This is a beta feature in the new Ansys release, the 23R1. So the first thing to do, go to Tools, Options, General Options, the General Options tab, open Beta Options, scroll down and select Layout Component in HFSS 3D. Say OK, OK. Now you'll be asked to restart the application. Say yes. Now let's take a look at this very simple example where we have a printed circuit board in HFSS 3D layout and we want to place some SMA connectors on it. Before we export this design as a layout component, we need to create some coordinate systems to help place the SMA connectors. And to do that, go to Draw, Coordinate System, Create. Let's place the first coordinate system here. In the Components window, expand Coordinate System, select CS1. Here you can edit the coordinate system. We can change the color and lock position. If you don't see the Components window, you can go here in View and check Components. Now let's do the same thing for the second SMA connector. Draw, Coordinate System, Create. This time we'll place it right here. We'll change the angle to 90 degrees since we're going to place it here, and lock position. Now that we created the coordinate systems, we can go ahead and export our layout component. And to do that, go to Layout, Export, Layout Component, choose a name and a directory, say Save, let's click OK, and now our layout component is ready to be used in the HFSS 3D environment. Before we combine the PCB and the SMA connectors, let's take a look at this SMA connector here. And as you can see, this SMA connector has a global coordinate system which is located at the bottom of this pin. So when we import the SMA connectors and the layout component, the coordinate systems of the layout component will be used as reference for the SMA connectors. To create a 3D component in HFSS 3D, select the SMA connector, right-click on it, select Create 3D Component, say OK, choose a name and directory, then save. Now that we're all set, let's open the main project and right-click on 3D Components, Create Layout Component. Here we can import the layout component that we exported from HFSS 3D layout. So let's select it and click Open. Next, here we can see the coordinate systems that we created, and we can see that they are included. Let's say Next, Finish. Again, right-click on 3D Components, Browse 3D Component, and here we have the 3D component that we created, which is the SMA connector. Let's select it, say Open. This window we can choose the target coordinate system. So let's choose CS1 for the first SMA connector. As you can see, the connector is placed directly in the right position. Again, let's place the second SMA connector. This time we'll choose CS2, click OK, and again the SMA connector is placed in the right place. Here I should mention that we can use HFSS Mesh Fusion So here we can mesh independently the PCB and the components, and to do that, right-click on 3D components, set components for Mesh Fusion, and enable them right here, apply, and OK. Also, in this new release, the iterative solver is supported for Mesh Fusion. So in this video, we saw how a 3D layout component can be used in the HFSS 3D environment, and that the model can also include regular 3D components and use the iterative solver with Mesh Fusion. Thanks for watching.